we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
I think that bonds in DeFi have kind of been a misnomer in terms of being a traditional, from a traditional financial bond, which is fixed yield and it's a fixed income product. A lot of the bonds in DeFi actually provide variable yields. With interest rate swaps, what we're able to do is actually package a structured product where you have a lending leg plus a interest rate swap leg, which combine together form a fixed coupon bond in perpetuity, which we're coining the perpetual bond.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the world we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. Much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and we have Bakkt here. We see the market got a good pump, but guys, we know we're going to have a pullback tonight going into tomorrow. Now, we have Barry Sternlicht and Mark Cuban have praised Bitcoin. And all the billionaires are coming out with the truth about the Fed money printing. We all know they printed all this money to destroy the dollar so the digital yuan can rise. Now we have Tesla has already got $1 billion in profit from holding Bitcoin. And we know Elon Musk is part of the movie, part of the puppet show that keeps going on. We know anytime he sends a tweet, it moves the market. And who you think moving the market? That's right, the Fed. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume. Tether, which is increasing just a little, still at that 68 billion. But then also, guys, we have USDC, and we saw that market cap go backwards as the market was moving up. So, guys, just like I stated, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators because we know all the manipulation that goes on. And also, guys, the Fed. We know the Fed now has already stated that they're going to be tapering starting in December. So, guys, make sure we're looking out for that because we know they're going to start pulling back. Like I stated to you several times, this month was going to be the last month. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, we have also Grayscale. Grayscale pulled back a little. Like I stated, I definitely see a pullback tomorrow. And then basically, of course, we're the only game in town on the weekend, and we should pull up just a little. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Bank of England says crypto has grown to twice the size of the subprime debt in 2008. Regulation is needed for financial stability. And guys, we know this is nothing but the Hegelian dialectic, and we know who controls the Bank of England. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you, especially if you have my book. Now we have Binance launches $1 billion accelerator fund to expand the Binance Smart Chain Ecosystem. And like I stated, all that regulation, all the banning of Binance, we steady see it moving on because we know it's all part of the actual movie. In my Patreon, I put a video up today showing you that your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. Now we have NFTs are coming to Fox TV show Masked Singer. And guys, what are we seeing? Virtual reality. They are going to move you into a virtual world. You're going to be an avatar in the fourth industrial revolution. Now we have over 1 million people have already signed up for Coinbase NFT waitlist. And remember guys, NFTs are about tokenizing goods. They want to tokenize everything and put it on blockchain. Now we have Bitcoin miner Stronghold will list almost 6 million shares in its $100 million IPO. And again, guys, we see all of blockchain, we see mining, we see crypto ETFs. We starting to see everything being tokenized that's attached to crypto, and the legacy markets are being tokenized. Remember, this is all part of the plan. Now we have Mark Yusko from Morgan Creek Capital says crypto would generate more wealth than the internet. And is this correct? No, it is not. The New World Order wants total control. It's going to make more wealth for the actual corporations. They don't want independent, wealthy people. Why do you think they shut down all these small businesses? Blockchain is going to give the New World Order the all-seeing eye. Plus be able to tax the globe. Yes, you're going to have a lot of people benefit from the actual tokenization and blockchain, but it's mainly going to be your big corporations, the same way the society is now. And lastly, guys, again, the Fed is going to start tapering. We know what tapering means. We're still going to have plenty of liquidity still, but we know we're going to be pulling back. 2022, and remember the Crypto Teacher told you, it's going to be the start of the collapse of Babylon. Please get your friends and family educated, because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks to see where the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
it's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.